Hey guys, as you know, in IELTS Speaking Part 2, we have cue cards. Do you know after every 4 months, IELTS speaking examiners are updated with new topics, especially new cue cards and new topics for speaking Part 1, right? So, we have compiled all the new cue cards. We have compiled a list of speaking part 1 topics and we have given it a shape of a book, and this book is readily available. Now, in this book, we have 200 plus topics for speaking part 1, and you are highly likely to be asked questions on one of these topics, or they can be 2 topics as well. Then we have a list of 120 plus cue cards in the book, and you are highly likely to be given one of these cue cards in your actual IELTS exam. And as you know, speaking part 3 is what we call follow-up questions. So follow-up questions, they always depend on the cue card, right? Let me tell you, there are 3 occasions. First in the month of January, then in the month of May, and then in the month of September, IELTS speaking examiners are updated with some new topics. They actually, they add on some new topics, they eliminate some old topics, and then examiners, they have their booklets for speaking part 1, part 2 and part 3. So if you want to get this book, you can contact us on WhatsApp, and in the book there are not only questions but sample answers. These sample answers will give you an idea on how to get bench score 8, bench score 8.5, because the sample answers that we have in the book, these sample answers are for bench scores 7.5 to 8.5. So you can just go through those sample answers, but if your target band is 6, there is no harm in getting 7 or above in speaking. Let me tell you, there are 2 modules which can upgrade your overall band in IELTS, and these 2 modules are listening and speaking. So this speaking book is going to help you with all your needs for IELTS speaking, and you can depend on this book entirely for your speaking. Let me give you a brief warning. Although we have cue cards with sample answers, speaking part 1 with sample answers, speaking part 3 with sample answers, but please do not memorize these answers, because if you memorize the answers, examiner will make your speaking test more challenging. IELTS examiners are very sharp. They can just catch you in a second. Like if you give answers from your memory, your eyes move here and there, so they can catch you immediately, and then they ask you some counter questions. They ask you questions on their own, and this is what makes your speaking test more challenging. So all the best with your speaking. And by the way, speaking is the module students are really confused about. The reason is they have to face speaking examiner. This speaking examiner can be remote or can be a physical examiner. So, meeting someone, it's more like, students take it like a job interview. So that's why they are afraid of speaking. But this book is going to give you confidence. Just imagine you go for your speaking test and they ask you questions and you already know the topics. You are already familiar with the topics. So this familiarization with the topics will make you fluent and you will get your desired band. In order to get this book is available in PDF all over the world and printed form in Pakistan only. So if you want to get the book, there is a little administrative cost. You can just contact us and we'll give you all the details and you can get this book. PDF you can get within few hours, and if you want hard copy, it may take 3 to 5 days depending on the location where you are in Pakistan. We can send you the book. All the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world, and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan, we offer IELTS test booking service. We have IELTS study plans. We have computer delivered IELTS software, and this software is becoming more popular among the students. They practice on this software. So if you want to get any of these services, just contact us and we'll give you all the details. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck with your IELTS speaking. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.